There are 3 simple things that any man can do in bed in order to make the entire experience much more mind-blowing for her. These are things that women don't usually ask for because they can be tricky to express or describe, which is why I'm here today to tell you exactly how to execute each one of them and how to give her a truly ecstatic experience. Are you ready? Let's do this. My name is Helena Nista and I make videos that help you have the best sex of your life. And in this video, I'm going to teach you about 3 particular things that are going to make a huge difference to your entire sexual experience together. So the first thing may sound deceptively simple, but it is actually fairly tricky to do. And that thing is eye contact. Maintaining eye contact during sex is not very common in modern bedrooms, but it's an extremely powerful addition to your experience together. Looking her deep in the eye when you're touching her, right before you kiss her, and even, yes, during lovemaking is magic. It's so easy to just close your eyes and to lose yourself in your own experience. There's nothing wrong with that, but it does disconnect you from her a bit. You're there physically, yet your awareness is not with her. You might be busy thinking about your own performance, about lasting long enough, about your own pleasure, or about something else entirely. But when you open your eyes, when you look deeply into hers, the energy between the two of you shifts and changes. Now suddenly it's all about the electric charge between your bodies and about the beautiful intimate connection that you're both sharing and about the pleasure sensations that are experienced by both of you with each touch, stroke and kiss. If you do already open your eyes during sex, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you don't, then maybe you should try. Sex and lovemaking is about giving and receiving touch, stimulation and pleasure. And receiving your lover's touch is typically a wonderful and enjoyable experience. But giving touch is as important, and many men don't know how to do it well. And this is really crucial because if you're touching her reluctantly or without appropriate level of skill, appreciation and enthusiasm, she'll feel it. One of my past partners was particularly bad at giving touch. It didn't matter how well I explained to him what I wanted or how I wanted it done. He just couldn't do it well. It just wasn't good, arousing, or pleasurable to me. And the reason for that was simply that he just wanted to receive touch from me and he had no interest in pleasuring me. He would try because he knew that it's something that he should be doing, but his heart wasn't in it. And so it felt sort of wooden or even unpleasant to me. And this is why truly enjoying your woman's body is so important. Devouring her with delight and teasing her senses because you want this is an incredible turn on for us ladies. It also allows us to surrender more deeply to your touch because we know that we can trust you and your desire. When your lust is coming from a purely selfish place because you want your cock stroked, your touch won't feel good to her. But when your strokes, licks and kisses are full of desire to worship her body and her eroticism, you'll be able to pleasure her much better. And the easiest way to check where your interests and focus are is to check how much time you're spending on foreplay. Because if it's less than 20 minutes, you're quite likely a selfish lover. Okay, let's talk about tip number 3, letting go of the routine. A lot of guys learn one way to go about having sex with her, and then they just keep doing the same thing every time. And this is a problem because regardless of how amazing that routine felt in the beginning, eventually it'll just get boring. So don't be like these other guys. Don't just go through the motions in bed. Instead, be curious, playful and explore. Be present with her body, watch her and notice what she's responding well to. Or even better, ask her questions. Where would you like me to touch you? Or how can I touch you better still? Forget the routine and be open to new, exciting possibilities. Invest in your sexual skills and enroll in my online course, How to Pleasure Her, in order to learn new, mind-blowing and orgasmic ways to touch her. This program is a response to countless messages I received over the years from men all over the world who wanted to learn to touch and pleasure a woman better. And now it's here, all in one place. Great tips, techniques and ideas to be a much better lover. So make sure to check it out to see if it's right for you. You'll find the link in the description bar below. And also, stay with her. after you come. Guys tend to disconnect and leave her behind after they've orgasmed. But there's a good chance that she's not finished yet, so stay with her and be open to more. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next week on this channel, and if you're following my vlogging channel, then I'll see you there even sooner.